Hello, my dear students. Kumusta? It's been a year, more than a year, since my last post. And I think most of my students have graduated already, is graduating, or has a work na. One of my students actually topped the LET exams for teachers. And I'm super proud of every single one of them. Everyone grew up, everyone is maturing, everyone is adulting, and so do I. Your ate mom is growing up, is maturing. And even though I was a teacher before and I resigned now, there are things that I am still learning up to date. um, if you are still in this channel, I am very grateful na you stayed, and I'm glad na my videos helped you before. And I am planning to make a shift in this channel since yung audience ko lumaki na rin. They are thinking about other stuff na, adulting stuff. And so do I. Parang naging mga friends ko na lang din sila since we are dealing with the same things now. And moving forward, I want this channel to be more on discovering and paving way through adulting, like adulting diaries. um, so if you still want to stay in this channel, feel free, and I'm very thankful about that. And there are a lot of things that I want to say, a lot of things I am experiencing, a lot of things I'm doing. I want this channel to be like my diary of the things that I did, the bad decisions, the good decisions, the things that I've learning. Sabay-sabay tayong i-discover kung paano i-pave way itong chapter ng life na 'to. And I want to document the journey of my life. I have a lot of things I did, and I'm struggling to see my worst and stuff, but in this channel, I want to create videos to I want to create videos na makikita nyo natin na every decisions lead to something, and even though we did bad and good decisions, we are still worthy, we are still loved. This channel will be so a lot. We'll have a lot of emotional stuff, a lot of happy stuff, and a lot of the stuff that we wish to say but we can't. So I hope everyone will have a good adulting journey with me, and let's all find ourselves together. Thank you, everyone.